Okay, guys, this is a video trying to help out everybody that has a no start issue with an Audi A4 BA. Again, the 2009, 2000, I believe, 15. The BA and the BA.5. My issue was my the MAF sensor wire fell off, melted, and it touched the engine, and the car literally died. The car died. I was running the car, and the car just simply died. And then it refused to start. Everything worked except that the car wouldn't start. It wouldn't even crank. It wouldn't move. Nothing. It was similar to having a dead battery, but of course the battery was good. After checking all the fuses, there's some fuses here that you can check. There's others inside the car, inside by the driver's side. There's another set of fuses on the other side, by the passenger side, and a third set by the trunk. I went crazy trying to look for the reason why the car wasn't starting, right? Of course, I knew it was a fuse. I just didn't know where the fuse was. It turns out there's a fourth set of fuses, another fuse box, inside the I don't know how to call it, but by the driver's side, or here by the driver's side, by the ECU, where the ECU is placed at. And my issue was this second one. That one in the middle was the one that was bad. Sometimes it may be one of these solenoids or relays. These ones that may be giving you issues. But in this particular case, it was just this fuse. So my advice, before you go crazy on your car, take out a multimeter, put it on continuity, which is this one, and test the fuses. Test all of them before you take it to Audi, before you do anything crazy, because half of the time, not half of the time, I would say 90% of the time, it's something stupid. It's something as stupid and as silly as that. Again, this happened to me. The car wasn't starting, wasn't even cranking. It was like the key. It was like putting the key on the first position. The needles will move side to side, but the car wouldn't start. I would press the clutch and the car wouldn't start. It refuses to start. And it turns out that was the issue. Again, I hope this helps. The reason why I made this video so quick, even though it's raining over here in Miami, is because I just went through hell last night trying to figure out what happened. And it turns out it was something as stupid as a fuse. Again, good luck to everybody, and I hope that it helps.